A new bar, Social Park Avenue, is now open in Mango Square, Cebu City, Uptown area, and huge place. It can hold up right around 1,000 people. 1,000 people, mind you. That is large. Probably the largest such venue in Cebu City that I know of, anyway. It's on the back side. It's not on the front side, and as of yet, I didn't see any signs out on the street. But it is behind Buffalo Brad's. It is behind, is on the back side of Mango Avenue, General Maxillom Avenue, not so far from the Fuente Osmeña traffic circle. And I was there just a couple days after they opened. They had the soft opening, I think, on January 2nd, and I was there on January 5th. I walked in, it was early, I think maybe 6 o'clock in the evening, so nothing really going on. They had a DJ in there playing some music, and I think 8:30, 9 o'clock they've got a band. Every night, I'm not absolutely positive. I suspect every night. There is the Social. Used to be an IT park, and a lot of these like the containers they use. This is all made with shipping containers, a lot of it, and that came from IT Park, where they were forced to close because I think IT Park wanted their space as a to expand their transportation hub for buses and jeepneys. Anyway, this is yeah, huge. They've got food, they've got cold beer. And I walked back from Ayala. They've got the Social in Ayala up on the upper level area as well. So they have the Social up there, which I frequent occasionally. And they call this kind of a VIP, big booth section. They've got an upper level, even an enclosed VIP section. And so there are options. If you want a big party, you can have it in the just off to the upper left-hand corner. That is the glass enclosed area that you can rent. I think my experience at the Social at IT Park, as well as in Ayala Mall in Cebu City, is they offer up some pretty good food and entertainment. They usually have pretty good bands playing, and it's not as loud as some bands. Some places are so loud you can't talk. At the Social in Ayala, uh, they're loud, but not so loud that you can't still have a conversation with whoever you're with, which makes it nice. Not sure what the venue is going to be here. There are a couple discos not very far, just on the back side of this, enclosed. I suspect that they will get some of that business as well. Yeah, they got down in this lower section. They've got a what you call a barbecue. Really smelled good when I walked by there. So they've got a bar. There's Horizon 101 condominiums. Some of you are aware of that, have stayed there. 52-story, I think, the one tower there. And yeah, Mango Square is getting a little bit of a comeback as far as an entertainment area. It used to be kind of the center of entertainment. And yeah, they have seating up in that upper level as well. You can have a taxi just drop you off at Mango Square, or if you're driving, you can drive in. There is a parking ramp on the back side, so you can come in from either direction. I'll show you a map at the end of this video. You can come in from two different directions, and there's a parking ramp, paid parking back in there. A lot of taxis won't know if you say you want to go to Park Social at Mango or the Social Park Avenue. They probably won't know where it is, what it is yet, because this has just opened up. But if you tell them Mango Square, and then you can walk around the corner to the backside. Yeah, they got a couple cookers there. Barbecue cookers smelled really good when I came by there. The sign, they have Facebook They have a Facebook thing, and they've got they said that their hours were from 4 p.m. until 2 a.m. and Friday and Saturday until 4 a.m. How about that? So you have that, and I had to mute the video because they were playing such loud and I'm sure copyrighted material. Anyway, across the street you got one mango there. What's
One
called
mango.
one mango and two mango over there.
Two mango.
And this is Mango Square on this side of Mango Avenue, General Maxillom Avenue.
Buffalo Brad's behind Buffalo Brad's and the 7-Eleven.
It's almost always very easy to catch a taxi coming to this area or going out of this area. You can see they'll stop
Ayers
here.
Lechon upstairs. 7-Eleven.
When I came
Mango
here
Square.
in 2015, my first trip here, 3 trips in 9 years, 6 different condominiums, a lot of videos about those. This was pretty much all bars on this street front, different types. There was a bar, The Beat, had a lot of good old American type music and open to the street, good for people watching. Now it's mostly fast food places, Korean, Japanese. There's an Indian place down here, Winia, relatively new. I think they've been around for maybe 6 months or so. And yeah, it's changed a lot over the years after about 2017. Laundromat, got I think some kind of little pharmacy type thing or nutritional. I think this Salvia Well, I think they sell nutrition type stuff, I believe. And then Winia is a newer Indian food place. And the motorbikes that park on the street here, I've seen them. Last time there was Sinulog Festival here, they came by with some flatbed trucks and they quickly scooped them up. The LTO, the Land Transportation Gangnam Music Bar and Club Pub, was a Korean place for about 6 months, and then they got shut down. Somebody told me that they didn't have the proper permits, and that was one thing that held up the Social Park Avenue from opening earlier, is that they were waiting for the government to issue their permits. So anyway, yeah, that spot up above, there's a couple different bars that have come and gone in the last several years with the shutdowns, the government lockdowns for a couple of years. Really ruined a lot of businesses and livelihoods. And anyway, the corner, just to give you an idea where you're at here, the National Bookstore is right on the corner here. And if you take a right here, you can enter on a side street into the parking area, or you can enter where I walked out. And down that way is Fuente Osmeña Circle, 1 block, a couple Robinson's Malls, and yeah, if you can see the Christmas tree down there. And anyway, I'll put the map up, show you where it's at if you're still not quite sure. I pulled this hours operation off their Facebook page, Sunday through Thursday, 4 p.m. to 2 p.m. And that is Social Park Avenue, the official, at Mango Square, the official. So this is the Fuente Osmeña traffic circle up here, and Mango, the big park on the inside has lots of things going on, different events, especially during Christmas. And the big Sinulog Festival in January of every year. This is Mango Avenue. Official name is General Maxillom Avenue. I think they changed it about World War II, but a lot of people still call it Mango Avenue. Used to be a lot of mango trees on there. And yeah, the square there, basically a block square. is called Mango Square. When I first came here, I thought Mango Square was a much larger area than what it is. But anyway, you can see the little side streets there. You can come in on that side street, uh, Juana Osmeña Boulevard, I think, or you can come in on the one right next to Buffalo Brad's off of Mango Avenue. And there is a parking lot back there, paid parking, so you can come in and they've got quite a bit of room back there in that ramp, I think. A couple of different levels. I believe my chiropractor friend has an office on the back side as well. If you if you feel you need some treatment, not sure what hours he keeps anymore, but anyway, that's where it's at. Anyway, thanks for watching and safe travels to you all. Hope you have a great 2025, and we'll see you in the next video.